Hey guys, so this is not what I intended for my next apartment. This is not what I intended for my next apartment video, but here we are. Things have been just busy between life and work is just blowing up. It's about 9 o'clock at night and my laptop is still open. And once I finish this, I'm probably going to continue working. But anyways, there has been progress with my apartment, and then also there have been some setbacks as well. Not even setbacks, but just more things have come into play that aren't resolved yet, and it's all kind of starting to pile on and kind of like stress a girl out. You know, my anxiety levels are going up a little bit, and I'm also currently making ramen for dinner because I don't have time to make anything else. I am boiling an egg in it though. So very soon I'm gonna have to drop in these noodles, so stay tuned for that. So anyways, here are some updates. These are very sporadic. Okay, I got this dresser. I think she's so beautiful, off of Facebook Marketplace, and I have not had a dresser in New York City ever since I moved to New York City. I've never had a dresser before, so that is exciting. And I'm sorry, the water is boiling, so bear with me as I add my noodles. Are you enjoying the chaos? Because I'm not. This ramen pack is so legit. There's 3 separate things that you have to put in. 2 different bone broth flavorings, and then one package that is dried vegetables that you boil and they turn into, I guess, more of a nutritious soup. Or maybe they're just trying to fool me into thinking that I'm having some vegetables. I did have vegetables today, don't you worry. Okay, add that in. And then the noodles. Yum, delish. Okay. Drop that in. Get those noodle crumbs. I feel like noodle crumbs just sounds like so unappealing. All right, get those little noodle crumbs in there. Okay. 4 minutes, timer. 4 minutes, start. Okay. Oh, don't want her to boil over. Okay. Since there's an egg in there, I have to like stir the noodle a little bit so that it can evenly be cooked. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, we have the timer going, we have the noodles boiling. We are in decent shape. Let's see how far we get. The noodles. Okay, so here we are with the kitchen. Not much going on here. Oh, I got this free area rug with a carpet that I got, and I got this free area rug with a carpet that I purchased, even though I don't think I'm going to keep the other carpet. But this is good for now in the corner. This light bulb eventually is going to be a pendant light in my bedroom. But I haven't hung it yet, and I really am not a fan of these overhead lights. So anything to keep those off, I will do. Let me stir my noodle a little bit. Okay, but what I did get is I got these track lights that I'm going to install underneath the cabinetry. I still don't know what I'm putting on this wall. I did order some more of these glass jars. I just like the exposed look of the main foods that I'm using. So like rice, pasta, probably like flour and some sugar. I guess I'll figure it out when it comes in the, well, it did come in the mail. I just haven't opened the package yet. Okay, what else? Oh, the dresser, as I was saying. I'm very excited. I have not had a dresser in any of my New York City apartments. So this will go into my bedroom, and I'm going to sell my credenza. I've been trying to sell it for about 10 days now, and I've had no bites from Facebook Marketplace, even though I've dropped the price twice now. I'm not giving up hope. And part of me is like, should I find a way to keep it? But I just haven't been able to yet. Here is a messy dining space area. I did order a pendant light and it did come in. I just haven't had the time to install it, nor do I think I can do it by myself. But it's going to be installed behind the refrigerator. I'm going to mount it up that corner in the crack and then loop it and swag it so that it's right above the dining table. If you can imagine, I think it's gonna be very cozy, oh, my noodles. Okay, we have 55 seconds. 51, 50. Okay, so I also ordered this carpet off of Etsy. I really do love it, but I think I love a different carpet more, and that's coming in the mail. If I do like the other carpet more, I'm going to sell this one. I thought about keeping it, but I just don't know where I would put it. Oh, my monitor is out here right now. This is my work monitor, but I was using it to watch a movie for my film club, and I have not put it back because I just haven't. But I really do like this carpet. What do you guys think? Honestly, it looks better than it did online. The color is more muted. Oop! The noodles! Okay, let me just cancel. I will eat this once I finish, but that will have to wait. Okay, I love the chaos of this, huh? Are you guys having fun? I'm having so much fun. Okay, back to the carpet. I really do like it, but the other carpet that I purchased is a very different style. You guys might be shocked to see what I ended up getting. So we'll see. I will probably sell this, but TBD, we will see what happens there. I'm going home for Easter weekend, and when I get back, I'm going to have hopefully my 2 other armchairs and my coffee table that are currently in my mom's basement. I'm hoping to bring those back to the city when I return. Yeah, so when all of those pieces are in, the living room is gonna look very different, and I'm excited for that because then maybe I'll have more of an idea of what I wanna do on this wall. I'm also thinking I'm going to move this mirror because I love this mirror. I just don't think it's having its full potential up there. I don't know, I have a very tall mantle and the mirror is just kind of reflecting the fire. Like what is it? It's really just like reflecting the smoke detector right now. It's not opening the room in any way. Unless if I had some type of light fixture that it could reflect, but I'm not there yet. So we'll see. Sorry, my arm's getting tired. Okay, here's the state of the bedroom. This is I'm slightly embarrassed with how things look in here, so please don't judge me. I have a work event tomorrow, so I just have like a bunch of stuff laid out. Here are the Amazon, one Amazon and the pendant light that I told you about that I got in the mail, but I have not touched since I received it about 5 days ago. So this is the pendant light that's going to be hung above my kitchen table. You'll just have to wait and see. And these are the glass jars that I got for my kitchen that I still have not opened. This is my desk, full of crap. I need a desk with more storage, and that is on the to-do list. And that to-do list is just getting longer and longer. And then here's the credenza that I am trying to sell. Oh, here is my reflection. And yes, I am wearing all pink. Hello, I am a pink lady, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to sell the credenza. don't know if I'm gonna keep the mirror. A lot of things are in transition, and I've already lived here for like 2 months, and it's kind of, I don't know, unsettling to me that these things are still in such of a state of rawness. But as is life, I still have so many frames that I have not hung up. And then I have a chaotic closet. This is just reflective of where things are right now. I'm very excited to start organizing and put stuff in the dresser and tame this hot mess. Like, guys, there is no organization happening here. It is just one hot cluster F-bomb. I don't even know if I can curse on YouTube, so maybe I'll stray from that word. Anyway, okay. Oh, and I just went on a run, so here are my drying sweaty clothes. You guys are really starting to get to know me now, aren't you? Okay, I'm gonna go. Is there anything else? Oh, one thing that my friend, sorry, you can't see me. One thing that my friend discovered 2 nights ago. So the overhead lighting in, honestly, the entire apartment is ghastly. It makes you look as if you are, it makes you look as though you've reached your demise, as if you're like in your deathbed. So fluorescent, so pale, not flattering for anyone. So my friend was over for the first time and she was like, Gail, like, what the hell is this lighting? And I'm like, I know, I haven't figured it out yet. It's on my list. And she was just tinkering with the light switch in the bathroom. And have you guys seen this before? So she discovered that if I turn on and off the light quickly, it actually changes the light temperature. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, we know what this is. This is the bad. This is the really bad fluorescent. Ready for this? It's warm. The light is warm. Bad. Worse. Warm. Let's do it again. Bad. Bluer. Worse, arguably. Warm. I don't know. I'm sorry if that just made you dizzy. I apologize. Okay, I'm hungry. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my apartment. And we're in a very raw, personal state right now. So stay tuned. She will come together eventually. AKA I will come together eventually. But until then, thank you for being here. Stay tuned for this journey. It is only uphill from here, I hope. Okay, bye guys. Love you. See you later.